everyone, and welcome back. Just getting chores done before deer hunting. Getting the last stuff packed up into the truck. Tomorrow morning, Sarah and I are heading up there. My dad's going to be going up there. Wayne's going to be going up there. That's Thursday. Hunting opens on Saturday. Zachary's coming up Saturday morning. He has to leave, for work on Sunday night. And then Sarah and I are staying until Tuesday. And I'm not sure how long my dad's staying up in Wayne. George will be up there. Tom will be up there. George's son, Steven. He was talking about a grandson coming up too, but I haven't heard any more about that. So anyway, looking at the weather up there, it's going to be really chilly. Some of those morning lows are getting there right around that 0. It'll be brutal. Hopefully there won't be much wind, but the good thing about that is the deer will be moving around, hopefully. I had paper plates on my list of stuff that needed to be brought up. This box here has, I think, 5 more sections of stovepipe for the stove in case it goes bad. I mean, we just replaced it. And 2 more dampers. This one has a couple of the umbrellas that go over the deer stands, because remember my one far stand, it didn't have one. It doesn't sound like it's going to be raining or anything, but if we do get any snow, I would definitely want to put another one up there. And I got my boots and Sarah's boots. Yeah, just getting everything put together and loaded up into the truck. I've got all these batteries all charged up right now, and that's for the 77D camera, the one that's filming right now. I have all these charged up, and this is a brand new handy cam. That's the kind of camera I used to use all the time, but it started getting pixely, so we bought a brand new one. This one I'm going to carry out to the deer stand, because with the 77D, you really don't have any zoom feature, and there's so many times on the deer stand when I see wolves or you might see some doe running around, and I can zoom so far with this one and get clear picture, and it's much easier to carry. It just fits right in your pocket instead of the big bulky 77D. So all this stuff is ready to go into my camera bag, which is actually 3 separate camera bags. I mean, I've got so many charging cords and chargers, I never know what I'm going to need. I even have the original camera that I first started making YouTube videos with, and that just is always in one of the camera bags. I have my duck hunting shell bag that's been converted to a deer hunting bag. I've got a headlamp here. I actually bring 2 of these type up. I've got batteries that'll go into these little ones. I never know if the kids are going to have theirs, or I forgot them, so I've got several different kinds. I've got, there's another one, a couple of knives for deer, some game processing or field dressing kits, I have my computer bag, and that has chargers and stuff in it that should be in the camera bag, but when I go back and forth from the farmhouse, I don't carry everything. I pretty much throw everything in here. And so for deer hunting, of course, we're going to have deer hunting the movie. That'll be a real long video, but I don't know if I can do it every day, but I'm going to try to post some short videos, kind of what happened during the day, or we're at the tent and stuff like I usually do. So I definitely will have my laptop up there so I can edit those, and I'll get them uploaded so you guys can kind of, I don't know, hang along through the whole trip. And this, of course, is only opening weekend. There's still 2 other weekends. It goes for 2 weeks and 3 weekends. I don't know if the kids of Sarah or Zach are going to come up any of the other weekends. I know Zach came up a second time last year. I don't have any clue about that. I know I will be going up there because my dad will be up there hunting, and if he shoots a deer, I definitely want to help him drag it out. That should be a fun time. It's exciting. I can't believe that I'm finally going to be going up there. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. This bag here, which is full of clothes, is a bag that goes from here to the farmhouse, here to Louisiana, here to the tent. Wherever I go travel, this bag stays in my truck or goes with me. And one of the plastic bags I put in my truck has all my clothes that I'll be wearing when I go out to the deer stand. Those are we're done in scent-free soap, which to me I think is kind of a gimmick, but I do it anyway. But anyway, today is Thursday night, or Wednesday night. We're going up Thursday morning. So Thursday morning, Friday morning, Saturday morning, 3 more mornings, we'll be out in the deer stand. I'll see you guys on the next video.